Victim. Hello. It seems like you've come to see the doctor. Great. I'm he. Oh, it seems like you can't talk. Okay. Can you move your head up and down for yes and side to side for no? Okay, great. You're conscious, you're breathing. You need to follow and answer questions. That's a good sign. I'm looking at the chart, and it seems like you've already been seen by the intake staff. It seems like you're not here to get any pain meds, are you? Okay, good. We ran out. So you would have been out of luck. It says here you're complaining of headache, nausea, fatigue, achy shoulders, difficulty breathing, chest tightness, difficulty concentrating. What else do you have? Okay. And when does this seem to occur? Oh, you think you may have been exposed to COVID. Okay. Certainly, there's a lot of people out here who are exposed to COVID. Did you take the COVID test? Okay, good. Did you tested negative? Have you been staying at home, away from others? Are you, it says here you do public speaking. Are you doing Toastmasters? Okay, yes, you're doing Toastmasters. Good. And I used to be in Toastmasters myself, and I know a lot of other people are doing Toastmasters. They have similar complaints. Some people have been having similar complaints. Are you trying to write a new speech and you're having trouble writing a new speech? Then you don't have COVID. I think it's something completely different. I think you have writer's block. And you come to the right place. I have the right solution for you. Let me find it here. Okay. It's a ticket. I'm prescribing you a ticket for the creative writing workshop. It's going to be an event that will help you with public speaking. Whether or not you really have writer's block, it's going to help you and you're going to be excited and interested. We're going to start off with renowned Toastmasters that have won championships in the past, such as John Morse and Wayne Jarsenbeck. These and their team will inspire you to be creative. Think about what's interesting in your life, to get away from the mundaneness of everyday life and to use a tool called the brainstorming tree that will help you get to your creative side. They'll help you come up with new speeches, how to have courage to speak, and how to end with a strong conclusion that will help your audience remember your speech. In fact, they'll promise you that you'll be able to use the techniques taught at the creative writing workshop so that you can write 5 speeches in 12 months. How does that sound? Oh, that's good. And how do you feel? Well, you feel better already. Well, you look better. I know you're on your way to feeling better. And this creative writing workshop is your ticket to improved speaking and improved speeches for Toastmasters. So go ahead and take this to the front desk, and I will see you on Saturday, September 17th. I'll be part of the group too. And I look forward to seeing you get over creative writer's block.